Alrighty, guys. So a lot of people ask me, Dave, when you send out a trade alert, how do I know when to buy, when to sell, when to take profits? I made an alert on DraftKings here when it was down to $43 at 44.50 to alert me when that condition was met. And all I simply did was went up to tools. I went up to alerts here, and you guys could see. I said to alert me when DraftKings hits $44.50. So the nice thing about this is now that we just made the trade on DraftKings, we could now set a new alert. So let's delete that now. And now we could go in here and put in DKNG. Now, guys, the nice thing about this, we just bought the 45 strike call for the November 20th Expo. We paid $5.32. As you guys could see, there's unusual options activity coming in for the November 45 calls. Okay, 9,448 total volume, 6,055 open interest. So now what we do, I just shared with you guys in our trade room what our target was. Our target was $55 a share and our stop is 42. So now what we could do here is we could put in, let me know when the price is greater than 55.00, or let me know when the price is lower than 42.50. Okay. And now these are going to be our signals. So now a window will pop up when these conditions are met. So now you know if you have a few trades that are open and you're not watching DraftKings chart, just like now, I mean, that was down to 43 bucks and look at what it did there. So I'm going to put OK on here. And now that condition is met. It's going to give me that window pop up that just like we saw there. Now, here's the thing. Look at the today 1 minute chart here. I made that alert back when it was down below 43 bucks down here, and it took off after that. So it quickly alerted me, hey, your condition was met. I saw that, and we ended up buying that trade. Now, if you look on a 3-month daily, it looks like a good setup here. It looks like we're holding that 50 SMA. We got a tight stop at 42.50, and our target's going to be 55 bucks to back up to that resistance area. So that's what's really nice about when we send out a trade alert. When you guys go here and you guys go to trades and look at these trade alerts here, anytime that you guys go here and see an alert, like if we put in, so when you see the target and then the stop, usually I like having a stop 50% max or down to that retracement of the 10 or 20 SMA. So when you guys get our email and you see that it says, okay, our target is 240, go back over here and put in your tools, go to alerts and put in target 240 and then put in your stop. And then that way, no matter what, when you get our trade alerts, you're going to get that notification from your brokerage account when that condition was met, when the target was met, or when your stop was met. So it's really nice and really easy to just set up that alert on any single trade that we make. And instead of watching that trade, just go to your brokerage account and have it set up that alert. It's going to send you a text. It'll give you an email. It'll post it on the site. It'll pop up right on your screen, just like you saw it before I started this little lesson here. That's going to help you guys tremendously because we all know sometimes you're not watching a trade and then that trade could really go against you really quick. So whenever we send out a trade alert, go to your trading platform and put in a symbol, set up that alert for your target and your stop. And then you can put in your notes. Here's our signals. Here's our target profit area. Here is our sell area. And it's really nice and really easy to do that. And you should be doing that for every single trade. It's really going to help you guys follow that trade plan, and it's going to minimize your losses should a trade go against you. And it's also going to say, hey, you know what? You're at your target profit area. Take some profits there, and you're not going to get greedy by saying, maybe I'll let it go up a little bit further. So I love doing things like that, and that's a great little helpful hint for you guys to do once you get one of our trade alerts. So I hope that little lesson helped you guys.